no. No, no, no. Keep going, please. Please, dude. I am so fucking far from home. The 250 is still missing a rear fender. And I wanted to touch it up a little bit and add new grips, but my throttle tube doesn't fit, you know, whatever this is. While I wait for my little throttle tube, throttle pulley thing, we could ride it like this. I'm gonna throw it off the old 125. We're gonna slap it on here while I wait for parts, and we're gonna go ride because I need a ride. Fixing bikes with a helmet on my head, but it's gonna be worth it, right? Working on a bike with ADHD. So this cable is very sketchy. Look, sticking out, you know, ow. You don't really want to use this. We're using it. I have so much shit. What? Oh. Hey, super lube. We don't really ask about this. It goes pretty fast though. There we go, just come out a little bit there. Look, we're gonna get shit done, dude. Ow, I fucking stabbed myself. Oh my goodness gracious. This shit's sharp. I didn't think it'd be sharp. Throttle cable snapping, ain't it? Right where you're at. I'm full throttle and this thing is flooded in half. How do I know that's not open? I'm gonna start this up, it's gonna go wang, and I'm not gonna know what the fuck to do. Kill switch ready because you never know. One time kick. Shut up. So we're definitely wide open. Oh yeah, fucking ready. My trails are full of spiders. I hate spiders, and they're the banana ones. You know what I mean? So I got an easier way. I gotta buckle my helmet real quick. We're going off the road. Oh, this throttle is so much more butter. We have arrived. Bro, wheelie conditions are mint right here. Look at that. Right there, boys. That is therapy. Oh, she wants to move today. She's feeling good, boys. Holy fuck. Did you guys hear that? That was not normal. Well, I'll tell you one thing. If this bike blew up, we are fucked. Oh. Oh. Something don't feel right. Gonna have to tote it slow. I think we blew her up. No, girl. Please just. Oh, fuck, dude. I'm destroying this engine. Lower RPM, girl. Lower RPM. Fuck, she was running good. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Come on. Come on. Just keep pushing. Oh, man. No, no. No, no, no. Keep going, please. Please, dude. I am so fucking far from home. Look at this view. We were gonna make a sick reel of me just drifting around that turn. And we were gonna make a sick TikTok. Well, fuck. I definitely seized it. It got overheated. 100%. The coolant isn't too hot though. I mean, in all honesty, yeah, I shouldn't have been riding it after that. We made good distance. I have to walk my blown up dirt bike through a national forest. I'm supposed to leave around 3. Oh yeah. Who do I call? Is it that fucking work? God damn it. Well, she's blown up already, so. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I mean, here's my thumbnail. Ah, my fucking bike. No. It probably isn't a bad fix. Unless it was bottom end as well. My gas is on, so there's probably like, you know, lethal amounts of gas. Yeah. She's got compression, boys. She's ready to go. You see, when I brought my tools in my book bag, I didn't bring the necessities to rebuild an entire engine via a mile more. I don't think. It can't be more than a mile, right? It was just the sharp turn. It took me like a couple minutes to get to the end. Going 80 miles per hour. I'm out of breath. I'm bikeless. I just hit up David and I was like, yo, bike's back up and going. When we riding? It's like a few hours ago. Thank you for listening to this rant, guys. Just some random dude in the woods with a GoPro talking to himself.